So much goddamn rain. Shoot. That's one goddamn day. I hope this happened. Oh, it's goddamn rain in one day. Maybe a little short term. Happens every goddamn time. It rains excessively around here. This is probably the most it's ever. You've seen it one day. It's goddamn rain. It's like water even flowing from everywhere. There's rain. Over from everywhere. So much goddamn rain. Last time so much goddamn rain ever showed up around here was like years ago. I was saying when we left up when a hurricane come in. Shit. So much goddamn rain. That was really going goddamn. This will probably put a creek to shit. This will put a goddamn creek to shame. Modulate. So much goddamn rain. It's having funny. So much rain. So much goddamn rain. So fucking rain. So much goddamn rain. So much rain one fucking day. Look at the goddamn street. Awesome. Storm plays are really fucking. Ooh. So it's that one goddamn day. Sounds fucking funny. Goddamn puddles form shit. That must be. That goddamn drainage pipe needs looked at. So fucking rain. Probably gonna take a long time for it to dry out. Shit. So much goddamn rain. Shit. Well, in there if you can't see it very well, but it's fucking flowing. And it's flowing there. Watch out the goddamn street. Shit. It's gonna take so goddamn. It's gonna take so long for this shit to dry out. Yeah, I'm sure there's gonna be people out there pissed off with this rain. People elsewhere around here. I'm sure there's people elsewhere that are probably worried about their goddamn basements and shit. Don't have the goddamn right out the goddamn street. With excessive rain. Over there. All throughout the goddamn street. Can't be like this for like fucking who knows how long. It was raining one day. Hey. Shit, look at this fucking rain. Oh, the goddamn pot right there. It's gonna take so long to dry out. It's gonna take so long to dry out, it's not even funny. Try to long as being filmed with this phone, one swipe. The longest one filmed in one clip anyway. I think it might be lighting up now. It takes so goddamn long for it to dry out. I think the goddamn swimming pool's probably gonna be. Might as well tell them to pump it out at least pump a couple inches out. Maybe 2-3 inches, maybe pump an inch or two out. You're a pain in the balls. Figure for a video this might be interesting, huh? Too much fucking rain.